What's good, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Zameer from EcstasyTunes. In this video, we're gonna take a look at Steinberg's February deals. Okay, there's about 60% discount for a lot of instruments. As you all know, Steinberg not only make DAW, but they also have virtual instruments and samplers and sample libraries like Backbone, the Grand Tree Pro Percussion Bundle, and all this cool stuff basically is on sale right now, up to 60% discount. So Backbone is currently about 60% discount, and Hellion is about 50%. And let me see if there's any other types of discount here. Yeah, Groove Agent Expansion 50% discount. VST Sound Loop Sets is about 50% here. This is cool. So all the instruments is currently up to 60% discount, 50 and 60%. And then we have this Nuendo Live for 40%. Wavelab Cas also 40% discount. And we also have VST Live. If you want to check out VST Live, this is one of the cool feature of Steinberg. If you need it, you can get this for 40% discount. So 40% is about, let me just check the price here. So 40% discount is about 60 euro, right? So this is really cool. I'm gonna scroll up and I'm gonna show you guys the plugins that I would buy in this particular promotion. And it's definitely gonna be Backbone. I've been actually checking out Backbones for some time now, and this is the best time for me to get it because I'm getting 60% discount. So it's about $60, 60 euros, right? So I'm definitely going to get Backbone today. I'm going to make a review of Backbone shortly after getting this plugin. All right, so Backbone is a unique sampler and sound designer plugin where you can actually create your own kick sound, snare, cymbals, and you can do pretty much a lot of things when it comes to sound design with Backbone. In the previous video, I talked about the features that I would like Cubase to have in Cubase 14. So one of it was I mentioned that I'd like to have Backbone Lite version. Yep, if I'm getting the full version now, Steinberg can ignore that idea of giving Backbone Lite because I don't want it anymore. I'm gonna get the full version today. But in case they want to release a light version that's still good, so it introduced this awesome instrument to new users. So Backbone is great, and I'm gonna share about a few plugins that I would want to get on these sales. Like I mentioned before, it's gonna be Backbone. The second one that I might be getting is this one here, Hellion Instruments, and that is Iconica Ensembles. So in Cubase 13, we have the light version of Iconica Orchestra, the Sketch, Iconica Sketch. And after you use that, I really fell in love with this phenomenal sample library. Especially if you're doing a lot of film scoring, Iconica is one of the best sample library that you can get, right? It's about 299 euro at the moment, so 50% discount would be half of that. So this is a good chance for you to get it. So I'll be getting Backbone, I'll be getting Iconica Ensembles, and the other plugins that I want to get is the scoring percussion. So as you all know, I already mentioned this many times that I also do film scoring, and after check out these sounds, I should get it. So now the original price is at 80 euro. So discounted price will be about 50% from that. So that is about $40, 40 euros. So let's check out some of these sounds, right? Backbone. So I'm going to play what kind of sounds you can create with Backbone. It's really cool. It's epic, guys. It's really epic. And let's check out what Iconica Ensemble sounds like. It sounds really good. It sounds epic. You can basically make classical types of music with this Iconica ensembles, and you can also make like epic kind of music as well. So basically you can do both, right? Some of the orchestral library that I have, like for instance the Metropolis Arc, I can only use that kind of sound for like epic scoring, right? So if I want to have more of a classical type of orchestral arrangement, I cannot use that sample library. But with Iconica ensembles, I can have both. I can actually do both within one library. And if you use Cubase 13 and if you have tried Iconica's cache, you know that it's very CPU friendly, and that's what I always look for when it comes to VST instruments or any sample libraries. And Iconica ensembles really one of the library that really easy on CPU. Alright, okay, another library that you should check out is definitely mGuitar. I didn't mention it earlier, but I'm planning to get Absolute when there's sales, right? So I'm not gonna be getting mGuitar today. However, if you want to have a realistic sounding guitar, I think mGuitar is one of the best plugin. So let's hear it. Okay, they sound really good. And the other one that I kind of like at the moment is Transverse. So Transverse, it is actually a sound design VST that's designed for expressive sweeps, transition, reverse sounds, and so on. It sounds really great, guys. So definitely worth buying this one right now. So it's about 70 euro, and 50% from that will be 35 euros. Yep, so don't miss this opportunity to get these plugins at a really discounted price. Go and get them right now. And I'll be making a video about Backbone and Iconica ensembles in the later video. So I'll show you guys how great these plugins are. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.